Washington Street, 173 and 4 World Trade Center. Tower 3. Tower 4. You can see the guy wires and the communications rings.
West Street and Greenwich Street.
I will let you know that there was 31 buildings together.
This is Greenwich Street. Here again is the Freedom Tower, 1 World Trade Center. Tower 7 and 4 World Trade Center.
But I don't get the sound.
Just the vibe. Brand new, whatever you make it happen. Whatever you make it happen.
There it is again. Trinity Place. I'm now approaching Tower 3. Here is Tower 3 World Trade Center. It has made a lot of progress with the podium, the glass is being filled in, as well as the mechanical vents.
Moment you might benefit, but that's really just because they weren't thinking about it.
So the podium of Tower 3 has made good progress in terms of filling in cladding and glass. It has now worked its way to the back. Still no vertical construction yet. Either way, it looks good. So again, here's the back section of Tower 3. Here's 4 World Trade Center as well. And the lobby glass for Tower 3. Well, it looks like the transportation hub has made very significant progress since I was here. Transportation hub has made significant progress. It's really starting to take shape now. Looks amazing. It's really starting to take shape. The transportation hub, when complete, will serve PATH trains as well as numerous New York City subway lines. Looks good. Looks very good. Here's Tower 3 again.
Well, the sign says half of
Still no crane there, but I'm pretty sure it's coming soon. I'm seeing a lot of progress since the last time I was here. Very good. Still nothing really happening with Tower 2. Alright, still nothing really for Tower 2. Still on hold. Nothing significant. You can also see the other side of the transit hub also making significant progress, really taking shape. Transit hub is really taking shape. Both sides are slowly rising up. The whole site, with the exception of Tower 2, is really developing. Here's the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center.